there, I'm Selena, a veteran teacher with over 20 years experience in education. I'm here to help you prepare for the FTCE Biology grades 6 through 12 test code 002. In this video, I'll walk you through a set of questions designed to strengthen your understanding of the core concepts covered on the exam to make sure you're ready to tackle the test with confidence. Take a deep breath and let's dive in. Which of the following is a methodology unique to scientific knowledge? So we're going to look at the important words. So unique and scientific knowledge are both very important. So when we look at conclusion-based events, that is based on both scientific and non-scientific, so it's not unique. Anecdotal and personal experience is everyday reasoning, but aren't reliable in science. Peer review is our best answer. Peer review is a fundamental part of scientific knowledge. It means that before research is published, experts in the same field evaluate it to ensure accuracy, reliability, and validity. This process helps eliminate errors, bias, and misleading conclusions. The main advantage is using the so-called whole genome shotgun method when sequencing genomes is that it is, so we want to think about the main advantage and the words whole genome shotgun method. Shotgun kind of has a term for being fast and quick. So when we look at these words, we can see thorough is longer, powerful doesn't really have anything to do with the genomes, and predictive has nothing to do with the faster it is sequencing. So our answer is going to be more efficient because this method skips 2 steps used in the earlier, more thorough methods. As a result, it's quicker and more efficient than other previous methods that were used during the Human Genome Project. Which of the following best describes the pattern of population growth in the most natural ecosystems? So when we're talking about natural, the constant linear growth is not the correct answer. So we're looking at patterns in the most natural ecosystems. So in the most natural ecosystems, we're going to have growth that goes up and down. Constant exponential growth is unchecked growth, which is not sustainable and usually doesn't happen. Growth followed by decline, this happens in some cases, but it's not a typical pattern. But growth followed by a steady state is the correct answer. In most natural ecosystems, populations grow rapidly at first, then slow down as they approach carrying capacity of the environment, eventually reaching steady state where births and deaths balance. What is the primary cause of seasonal cycles in deciduous forest ecosystems? So what's important here is we have seasonal cycles in ecosystems. So changes in soil composition are very slow over time and don't cause seasonal changes. Changes in weather pattern fluctuate, but are not driven by the seasonal changes. Annual forest fires may occur, but they're not on a regular basis. But changes in temperature and light do cause seasonal cycles. The primary cause of seasonal cycles in the deciduous forest ecosystems is changes in temperature and light. These changes cause trees to lose their leaves in the fall and grow new ones in the spring. I hope this video was helpful and that you're feeling a little more confident about tackling the FTCE Biology grades 6 through 12 test code 002. If you're looking for more support, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel for additional test prep tips and practice questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll never miss out on new content. For even more in-depth study resources, head over to study.com. As a member, you'll get access to short, targeted video lessons, personalized study plans, extra study materials, and hundreds of practice questions. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your questions, feedback, or even just let us know how your test went. Study hard, stay confident, and best of luck on your exam.